Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more settings about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. By tapping on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide down to the general settings, and here at the second place we have the save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. From here let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. Now let's tap on the center to get access to the settings of the gallery, and let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button. Here we have to pick the details, and here at the last position we have the location with the full address. Also we can tap on it and go through to the Google map to check the full location at the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.